What's gonna win the longest ice in the bottle contest? Swell 40 ounce, Coldest water bottle 46 ounce, or the Miir 42 ounce. Let's put them to the test. Fact 1. I own these and I just want to test them out on a personal level. No other reason. I want to know what's the best because I only use the best. Whichever will win here will be my go-to everyday bottle. Let's put ice. We'll fill them up with approximately the same number of ice cubes, okay? Let's see. Here's a Swell, Coldest. Same number of ice cubes. Let's see how they fare tomorrow. It's exactly 11:27 p.m. Let's check it out at exactly 12 hours, more or less. By the way, it's useless testing it without any liquid inside. Maybe same amount of Coke to make it fair. So we have the same amount of ice cubes. Now let's put the same amount of Coke. From the same bottle, technically it's the same temperature. Let's pour it here first. There you go. And last. Okay, we'll seal this off till tomorrow and let's see who wins. 12 hours from now, so let's make it around 12:30ish. It's 12 p.m. What do you think? Is it time to test? Let's see. I don't know. Let's give it a few more hours. Maybe 3 p.m. Hi everyone. I'm a collector of bottles, metal cups and metal bottles. I've had most brands. Let's see. Hydro Flask, Corsical, Aqua Flask, Coldest water bottle, Miir, Stanley, Yeti, Swell, and can't anymore know, no? So far, I've probably owned almost 100 different bottles and metal cups. Nothing below 40 ounces or 1 liter. I've stuck to only 3 brands: Miir, Swell, and Coldest water bottle. So far, my favorite's the Coldest water bottle. And today, I'm going to test the capacity to hold in cold water, okay, or ice water. So I have 3 bottles. I put in 12 ice cubes per bottle and a glass of Coke Light, which I love to drink. It's been there since around 11 o'clock before midnight, and it's around 1 o'clock today. So we're going to open them up at 3 p.m. and we're going to count how many ice cubes are left inside each bottle, and then that would generally tell us which is the better bottle. All the bottles are here in my room. Let me show you. So it's 1 p.m. I have air conditioning there. 2 air conditioning units. One is opened. The temperature is pretty equal. I put the bottles together. Even the location of where they are, they're close together. So I'm very sure that no outside factors can affect them. And in 2 hours, we're opening them up. 3:45, and I haven't opened them yet, but let's see. Let's see if there's ice. Okay, sounds a little. I don't know. I don't know how it sounds. Let's let it wait for maybe another 3 hours until sunset. I'm bringing them out to a warmer area. Okay, so that's Bernard, our cardigan corgi, and Hazel, and Kikoman. Okay, situation, we're in the Philippines. Average room temp here would be probably 28, 20 to 30 degrees. Right now it doesn't feel that warm, it feels more like 26, 27. There, 3 bottles in an enclosed area outdoors near the window. Let's see, 3 more hours, then let's test them. Okay. They're all noisy. The dogs are too noisy. We're doing the test in the room. Here are my bottles. I have a lot. Okay, let's test them one by one. This is the glass where we'll put the ice. This is where I will pour the Coke. Okay, let's see some ice. Pour the Coke. 12 ice cubes per water bottle. This is the Miir. Here is what's left of the ice cubes. That's how much we have with the Miir. If I count the waves, around 3 waves. Am I right? Yeah, barely made it through the 3rd wave to the 4th. Around 3 waves of ice. Okay, nice glass. Got markers. There. Shake it more. I'd say 3 waves. Okay, 3.5. Okay. Pour it out. Next, let's go for the Swell. There. Hello, Swell. I love this color. Got it for the color, and of course because it's a Swell. Normally, I use this 40, I think 40 ounces, and this one 64 ounces. Usually those are the 2 I use. I've never had the other Swell models. This one appeals to me because it's the first 40 ouncer I've seen of Swell that seems to be okay, the size, and easier to carry around. I like bottles that you can seal tightly because I travel a lot, and when you travel you can't use a spout like this. If you put this in your suitcase, it's going to spill. If I use the Coldest for traveling, I will put this on. If I use the Coldest for every day, when I work, etc., I'll be using this. Okay, and again, the Miir can be sealed. See, fully sealed, so I like it. Let's pour this out. I'll be using the GoPros next time. Okay, here we go. I love the design of this well. Look at that. Very nice, very classy. How much ice? Whoa. Swell definitely beats Miir. Wow, look at that. This Miir is a 42-ounce bottle. I've always loved Miir, but now I'm impressed by this Swell, which is 40 ouncer. 2 ounces. It's, for me, makes a difference. I'd rather bring 42 than 40. So I can't get rid of this even if ice melts because it has 42 ounces. Every sip counts, and I hate it when I sip and there's just nothing. Sometimes I just need that one mouthful. So 2 ounces matters to me. Anyway, here we go. Again, we use our eyes, and luckily my house glass has lines. Fairly good shake. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines. Wow. I will not say 6.5. Just 6. Nothing else. Okay. 6 lines. 6 line height of ice. There you go. Yeah. Nice. Nice job, Swell. Okay. If we were betting right now, my money is on the Coldest. My favorite. Why do I love it? It has the largest size. This is 46 ounces. See? Much bigger than 40 or 42. Plus, I can put it in a cup holder. The only thing I don't want about Coldest, the Coldest covers easily break. I've broken about 3 covers already by just dropping them, not even hard drops. During a regular fall, I've never had problems with Swell. My older Swells are really dented and they still work. Miir, I've never dropped the Miir. I did, but I don't know if the cover hit anything, so I'm not sure about Miir. I can't speak for it yet. But Coldest water, one fall, if it hits the cover shatters. I have shattered covers of at least 3 different bottles. And the last time I tried to get a replacement, Coldest told me they don't have replacement for that model yet since it's new. Okay. Come on, Coldest, don't let me down. Show them you're the best. Here we go. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Looks like Swell won the game. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Barely 6. Barely 5.5, 5 3/4. 5 3/4. Very close to Swell. Actually, my go-to are Swell and Coldest. I find that they're about the same. But now I've proven that Swell is better. So, kudos to the makers of Swell, to the engineers. Congratulations. You're the best in holding ice and cold water, as far as I'm concerned, in the Philippines. And Coldest water, still my favorite. If Swell is at least 46 ounces and can fit in a cup holder, sorry, Coldest, I have to say goodbye to you. But now, you're lucky. You're 46 ounces large and you're only 40 ounces. I'll stick to the Coldest for now. Whoa, look at that. So much Coke. The time is 5:30 p.m. Ice has been in the cups for about 17 hours from last night. I hope you enjoyed my video, my review. But just for the record, I'm very sure there will be people who'll say, "Oh, I don't believe it. Hydro Flask is the best," or "Aqua Flask is the best." Actually, the reason I don't use them is when I leave for work at 8 a.m. and I get back from work at 6 p.m., I still have ice if I'm using a Miir, a Swell, or the Coldest water bottle. But if I use any other brand, and I've tried Yeti, Aqua Flask, Hydro Flask, Corsical, Stanley, and other brands I can't remember right now, they never last till lunchtime. Usually all the ice is melted by lunch. So I don't like it when I'm having my lunch and there's no ice in my bottle. Some of them might last till 2 or 3 p.m. or maybe more like 2 p.m. Never close to 5. So that's all I can say about that. I don't care about proving it. It's because I experience it. So usually I give those bottles away. That's it. That's my disclaimer, okay? I'm not gonna do a test for those bottles that I don't believe in because they don't work for me. Thank you.